Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily enable LED flash on calling when someone calls to you. If you want uh, to see light on your flash here, so how you can do it. So for doing this, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find accessibility, and in the accessibility you just need to find here, you just scroll down to audio and visual, so just open it, and here you will see LED flash for alert, so just turn on. And now here you can see use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silence. So if you want to disable it, you just tap here for disabling it. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.